Welcome to JP Tarot, and right now I'm going to do a monthly reading for the month of November for the earth signs Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. If you have your Taurus, Virgo or Capricorn in your sun, moon, rising, even in the Venus sign, since this is a love reading, you can also see your Venus sign and check out this video. If your if your Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn is in your sun, moon, rising, this video is for you. Okay, this is for the month of November. You can check out my last videos. You will get more clarity over your situation. You will get the information about your past and past mistakes, present scenario, what you are passing through, and the required. You will get a beforehand information how to deal with your future or upcoming issues, obstacle or opportunities. You will have the clarity how to deal with them. You get more and positive result from your love life. Okay, so this reading is gonna help you. Okay, so you can see this reading, or simply you can have see this as a monthly reading. Okay, so let's get into the reading. This is a past, present, future reading with two clarification card and outcome card, that you will get this detailed reading, more clarity. This is not a 3 card reading like others readers do. This is a detailed one. Will get more clarity since this reading has been made in such a way that you will get your link with your past and future also, and probable outcome if you will continue to have your past issues in your present and present issues carried forward to the future, then this reading is for you. Okay, you will have greater clarity. So in the past you were expecting someone to be your partner, the mother or father of your kids, but you got separation, and in the present that separation got ended. Don't know how, but still in the future you will not be happy. Let's see why. Okay, somebody from whom you were expecting a family, you got a heartbreak and separation from that partner. However, that separation ended, you still feel like you got betrayed. You are feeling you were emotionally hurt when you got separated from that person whom you wanted as your life partner, and right now also on the end of this separation too, you are still hurt. I don't know why. Might be, yeah, you are still hurt and this separation has got ended, but you are confused and you are not happy. Though this separation ended, you are still juggling. You are not having clarity what to do with this end of separation. I am feeling there is end of separation but not reconciliation. Okay, because the person who had been hurt in the past is not able to choose what to do, not able to decide what to do with this situation, where they again have got some connection or contact with the person with whom they got separated, and heartbreak. They might be they have came in communication with that person, or that situation of denial ended, but that is not helping. Might be long time gone, and that ending is not helping right now this person, or this person is just juggling or thinking why so much, why such a late, or why so long. Okay, so they are not happy about the situation. They are showing that they are happy without their person. They are just showing off that they have built their finance. They are happy without their person. They are not going to choose someone who has broke their heart, despite they had that feeling of having that family and kids with that person. They are not enjoying this end of separation because there is no reunion. because they are still confused over this having reconciliation with that person who broke their heart and didn't and separated from them and broke their feeling of that happy family life, kids and family. So they are not happy, though they are not happy, but they are still confused, and they don't want to deal with that emotional pain, so they are acting single. Okay, so in the entire month, whoever you or your partner is going to show off that they have built their finances, they are eligible, they have lots of suitors around them. Though they have a hurt in the past, they are right now in a very great position. They wanted that family with that person, but right now they don't expect anything with that person. The person who hurt them, who left them, though they are not happy, they are showing that they are not happy on their return. Somebody came back and they are showing off that they are not at all happy on their coming back. Okay, they are not happy, but they are not showing. They are showing that they are not happy on their coming back, but the fact is they are not happy without them. Okay, but due to that emotional pain and separation they faced in the past, they are right now not making any decision, and they are showing off, and they are showing off that they are happy being single. Okay, so in the entire month, either you or your partner is going to show off that they are happy without you, and vice versa. Okay, you will show like you are happy without them, or your person is going to show that they are happy without you, because they don't want that ending and separation once again. So they are having that pain and remorse for that ending and separation, but they are not showing that, despite they are showing that they are not happy on your returning, or you are showing this kind of emotion to your person. Okay, so that is just masking of emotion is going on entire month. Somebody is going to show disgratefulness or non-gratefulness towards their person's returning back. Okay, that's all for you. Go check my last videos, you will get more clarity, and wait for my upcoming videos. Okay, because it's a 6-month reading, I am doing all the readings in one go, so you will get all your insight and clarity in through this series. Okay, I have all my 6-month videos for all signs, so you can check out if your other signs, if you are earth sign and you have water or any element heavy in your chart, you can also watch those videos also. So that's all for this month. You are going to show off happy being single, though you are not happy, but you will show off. You will not show grateful towards your person who has returned. That's all. You will juggle your emotion and show off something else, despite feeling something else for your person. Okay, that's all for the whole month. You will going to behave like this in the whole month. That's all for the November month earth signs. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, please do like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell to get the notification of my future readings. Please do like, share, subscribe, and for your help I'm advising to see all my videos. Okay, so that you can avoid past mistakes and take opportunity of future opportunities. Okay, take advantage of future opportunities. Okay, thank you. That's all for you. Please do like, share, subscribe. Thank you.